Okay guys, can't eat any solid foods to make my smoothie. In here is spinach, and I have a chunk of ginger here. 1, 2, 3, so 4 dates inside to add taste. 1 handful of almond nuts. Throw it in here. Pumpkin seed. This is 1 handful. I'm gonna add it in here. 2 kiwi. I'm gonna throw it in there. Slice of lemon to help retain the color. Some purified water. So I'm gonna add, that's enough. Whole cucumber. Okay, so this is cucumber in. I have fiber here, protein, vegetables, like few vitamins. There you go. My food is ready. Before I drink, I have to add my collagen. It really completes the whole superfood. Use the link to buy and thank me later. Bye.